Hello, everybody. So, today I wanted to share some exciting information with you from Google. If you happen to still be running Windows 10 on your computer, this may benefit you. So, let's go over so I can share all the information with you now. So, as you can see, new laptops, Google is offering another PC upgrade for Windows users. Now, over 15 years ago, Google introduced the Chromebook, which is a laptop that's built for cloud first world that Google posted on Tuesday. Now, as they're moving from an operating system to an intelligent system, they see an opportunity to rethink laptops yet again. Now, the outcome of that rethink is the Googlebook. If Chromebook was all about the internet, Googlebook is all about AI. It's an alternative to Windows PCs, especially expensive Copilot AI ones. And it comes at an interesting time as hundreds of millions of Windows 10 users face down the end of extended security updates in October and secure boot certificates that expire in June. Now, the Googlebook news follows just a month after Google offered those Windows 10 users an easy upgrade to ChromeOS, our fast, secure, and free operating system to modernize their devices. Now, you have a difficult decision, Google suggested. Spend hundreds on a new device, continue using an insecure, outdated one, or turn your old PC into a Chromebook via a software update. Now, Google Books are more advanced than Chromebooks and are built to run AI. Unlike switching to Chrome OS, this PC upgrade isn't free, but it does more than delay obsolescence. This is no Windows PC, though. It's the brains of a phone in the body of a laptop. Its usefulness is limited. And so while the Googlebook won't pull in many Windows 11 users, it will provide a cheaper and simpler alternative to new PCs for owners of old Windows 10 PCs, especially if they're doing little more than basic emailing and web browsing, in which case an AI upgrade could well appeal. Now, Google Books are likely to be more expensive than a basic Chromebook. But with Microsoft pushing Copilot AI Windows 11 PCs, they have the potential to open a new market segment. As October's end of support draws near, Google now has two options for Windows 10 PC owners to consider. So now you can either consider going ahead and getting the Google Book, or you can just take your old Windows laptop and you can put Chrome OS on it. So either one of those options is going to be great because it's going to allow for you to continue to either use your old computer and be able to have Chrome OS and be able to do everything you were doing before, or you'll go ahead and you'll get one of these Google Books, which is also going to have the AI built in. Now, they will cost a little more than Chromebooks, but because it's going to be a little bit faster and it's probably going to be based on some of the newest technology that we're putting in phones, it may be a win-win for you. It may be all you need to have for your computer. So I thought you would find that interesting and also helpful about Google Books. And maybe that's going to help you in case you need to use AI a lot and you need to get on the internet a bunch and you need to be able to have a computer that's not going to cost as much as Microsoft is wanting to charge for those Copilot Plus PCs just to handle AI. Now, if you do have any questions about this, or maybe you'd just like me to go into a little bit more depth about it, please let me know down below in the comments, and I will do my best to get back to you. And if there's a video, topic, article, anything you'd like me to make a video on, please let me know that down below in the comments as well, and I will do my best to create that video for you. And if you found this helpful and you'd like to support this channel, I left a link in the video description where you can buy me a cup of coffee if you'd like to. And as always, because you all do such a great job, if you can, hit that like and subscribe button so I can keep putting up more great content like Did you hear about the Google Books and how great they're going to be? And this will be a great alternative if you're still running a Windows 10 computer. And I'll be more than happy to keep putting up all this great content for you all. Thanks so much, everybody. I really appreciate you all. I hope you have a great day. Take care. God bless. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.